Okay, students, so what do I do once I've finished my presentation? Quindi cosa facciamo una volta che abbiamo finito la nostra presentazione? Go back to your Google platform and choose Select Slides. Okay, now open your presentation. I will open my final task. When you're happy with your presentation and you want to share it with me, so you want to give it back to the teacher and hand in your assignment, quindi quando avete finito siete felici di come avete organizzato la vostra slide e volete condividerla con me, so you just share it with me. Quindi in cima schiacciamo the share button, the one with the person, and here you can just add my email address and press send. At this point you will send your presentation to me. A questo punto voi avrete mandato la vostra presentazione a me affinché io possa darvi il voto, so that I can give you my mark. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.